Hello, I'm Helen Mitchell from Professional Pricing Society, and I'm here with the meetings team, Susan Korak, Tina DeRenzis, and Sharon Seay. And we are in our home offices making plans and preparations for the first ever virtual fall conference in October. But before we begin and get into the conference, I would like to check in with you, our members and friends of PPS. We hope that you and your families are managing the stress of these difficult times, and we look forward to the day we can all be together again. So from our home to yours, we would like to share with you what you can expect at the fall virtual conference. Tina?
The conference is fast approaching, and we encourage each one of you to register for these workshops and conference sessions. PPS is offering this education in light of the current COVID-19 situation, and we take your health and safety into high consideration.
We have an incredible lineup of speakers over the course of the conference, to include 8 different workshops on October 20th and 21st and 27th and 28th, 18 breakout sessions, and 4 phenomenal keynote speakers on October 22nd and 23rd, including Seth Godin, Robbie Kellerman-Baxter, Charlene Lee, and Tian Zhu, all experts within their fields. Sharon?
Registration is going to be different this year. No badge, no petfolio, and no chocolate candy. Good news, our virtual meeting registration desk will be open throughout the conference to assist you with check-in questions, navigating your way across the conference, and engaging you with all of the exciting special events and networking opportunities that we have with our sponsors and our PPS membership. Tina?
We designed this virtual conference experience with you in mind. You will receive pricing solutions, training, networking, ideas from top thought leaders, and access to on-demand sessions after the conference to view at your leisure from your home or office. You also get credits towards the Certified Pricing Professional, the CPP designation, that will keep you at the top of your game in the pricing industry. We're offering pricing solutions at your fingertips with you at the center of this virtual pricing experience.
A huge value add to this experience is the ability to go back after the conference and watch a session you may have missed. This on-demand feature will provide you with access to the entire scope of offerings. Sharon?
We have much more games for you to do and lots of fun activities. So look out over the next few weeks for your upcoming reminders as you get closer to the conference.
A big thank you in advance and shout out to our sponsors. Please go to pricingsociety.com and make sure you register today. Take advantage of the early bird discount, which ends on September 14th. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss.
So, in keeping with our theme and being the home of pricing, we will continue to provide the best pricing content the industry has to offer all year virtually. So we look forward to seeing you in October at our fall virtual conference. And
The show
Must.
Go on.
thank you.
Thank you.